Titles are one of the most impactful things on YouTube alongside thumbnails.
Say my name. Heisenberg. You're goddamn right.
One of the clients that I got one of these play buttons for used to generate anywhere between 5 and 10 titles per video before doubling down and seeing what they liked the most. And for some people it can be hard enough to find one, let alone 10.
Marco!
Hello.
Marco!
Hello.
Marco!
Hello.
Imagine if I could give you 15 video title ideas based on your best videos on some of the best trending topics, or based on some of your rivals' best performing videos in just one click.
So sorry.
That's what CreativeFuel can do for you, and it's completely free. I've used some of the biggest SEO tools out there. I worked with vidIQ, tubebuddy, Morning Fame, I've dabbled with ViewStats, but I must say CreativeFuel is my latest tool, my go-to tool for helping clients. At the end of the day, you need to make sure that you are creative enough, but that your content is based on outliers, winners that work.
I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart.
What CreativeFuel does is it looks at your stats, it sees the videos that have done well, and then it remixes your title based on what the topic of your video happens to be, but based on your best performing titles and content. Best of all, it can go out there, find what trends are available, and then suggest topics for you. What I do is I harvest a load of ideas, I save them, I add them to a Word document, and then I bounce back off of them and I record a load of content. And some of you may know that I bulk record my content as often as possible. This tool makes that easy. I can go out, collect a load of YouTube titles that I like the look of that sound impactful. I can then go bulk record content, and then I can upload content to my channel really easily. That way I can start collecting more of these. CreativeFuel, there's a link in the description down below. You can get 15 ideas for free over 3 engines. I highly suggest it. And if you need tips on bulk recording, there's a video here.